All right, we are at Adam's open house. I'm not gonna film much of like the whole atmosphere in the day and stuff. I really want to just focus on showing you guys the difference between our three Miatas, because we got an SR Miata, K Miata, and my LS Miata. I wish we had like Greg or Gingium's car here so that we'd have like a VVT, or well, I don't think Gingium's is, but a 1.8 Miata motor or Ben's car, but a 1.8 representing. But anyway, I'm gonna focus mostly on the cars. Adam's gonna have a really cool video coming out of this event with like cool edits, and like all of us are gonna film some, so that'll be the one to watch for event coverage. But look at Trevors Car. This is my first time seeing it in person, and wow. I'm honestly like pretty blown away. Like, it looks sick in video and in pictures, but they did a great job on this thing. I didn't even realize that he was keeping AC. Like, he's got AC in a shaved tuck bay. Like, how pimp is that? This thing's sick. There's a lot of cool cars here.
Like park things, GTO.
Is it?
Yeah.
We gotta go look at that. We got FDs, you got TJ over there filming the FD squad. Like, there's just a lot, like there's a good variety and a lot of cool stuff. Look at the GC. This is goals. It's got a track setup on it. STI interior.
It's like same color and four-door.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm
cool.
saying. This thing's pimp. Oh, what brakes does it have? Oh, it's I think that's the WRX upgrades. That's like the brakes I'm gonna do on mine. Let's go look at the GTO. It's a clean FR. Furs, no, that's a Burrs. It's not a Furs. Oh yeah, it's a GTO with a hydro. I love the one center back seat and the trailer hitch. Look at how packed this is. This is one parking lot of two. That whole other BC warehouse parking lot is packed. Like, this place is packed. It's crazy. Let's go look at TJ's car. I've never seen it. I've never seen a video on it. I don't know anything.
I don't know if it's busy.
All right, well, it's an RX7. I do like when people do the V-mount setups on the 13Bs. It looks really nice. TEs, stuff. I don't know. I'm not like, it's not that I dislike FDs. I don't think I like them as anywhere near as much as most people. Like, they're cool, but I don't know. Start my car. I feel like it's gonna draw a huge crowd, which I don't want.
It's definitely gonna draw a huge crowd.
But I want to. Someone asked me to.
Wow.
Just start it and let her eat, man. Just fucking
start it with the gas pedal already pushed down.
Oh, like I don't want to.
you hop out, you just sit there and look at it.
It's a great plan, Ben.
That's what I'm gonna
What
do
up?
next time my car breaks.
How do you know if it's working? Is it on? Wait, but it's pointing up there. Oh, it's like Xbox, but in real life. Where are you going? I can't hear you! How do you zoom in? You don't? All right, now it's Tommy's turn. Where's Tommy? Now I gotta hear K-Swap.
Well, we gotta hear SR too.
SR? Is that? Let's do it. Where's your arm brake? I think it should be.
Cletus made it. I thought it was an actual cop car. Clickbait patrol. Civic's pretty sick. I haven't really filmed much today. Whenever it dies down a little more, I'm gonna go film the difference between our three cars. All right, we're all just hanging out. I just took Rudnick for a ride. What'd you think?
Dude, it's
Thoughts?
crazy how much it hooks.
Yeah.
Like, you started in second, low RPMs, mad at it, straight hook. I didn't expect that.
Yeah, people
honestly.
were surprised. Like it hooks good.
Those NTL ones are rad.
Yeah, no, they're dope.
They got those tires. I was a little butthurt at first.
He was like, I don't want to spend the money. I'm like, dude, they're good.
No, they are good.
That much on tires, so I'm like,
Same. It was worth it. It was worth it.
Big boy car.
They were only $600. I only paid $600.
Well, I had to get the one
Amazon.
shipping and stuff.
Oh, true. Yeah, no, they hook really well. They hook
slept.
really.
He
Yeah,
didn't have
that's his own
Stop
fault.
That's your old
No, the abandoned neighborhood testing really blew my mind with those because like I'd send it into a corner thinking I was going too fast and it not even struggling. Like I wasn't even near the limited grip.
What I wonder is like how predictable your car is going to be in that scenario. Like you said, you thought you would spin, you didn't. When are you? Like that's the beauty of this thing without the torque. Like
But see, the thing is like with that car, I can just like lay into it most of the time and it's fine. And even I like purposely went into a corner and like stabbed it halfway through and it just like steps out a little bit but just goes. Because it has the grip, so instead of like just flipping out, it just like forward.
make a grip.
Yeah, they have good mechanical grip. I was gonna film a video explaining like the difference between all of our cars. I guess there's like almost enough light.
His is white and yours is bass bone.
True. True.
That's all they need to
True.
know. That's all they need.
But it's dark. I waited too long.
You did blow it.
I did. I'm like, I'm gonna wait till it dies down, and then I'm like, I'm gonna wait a little longer, and then I'm like, it's dark. Sick. Miata is loaded back on the trailer. Huge thanks to BC for letting us park here. I know I didn't film much today. Like I said earlier, I wanted to do a breakdown of all 3 Miatas and just kind of go over what's done to each one. We'll fit that in at some point, but I just didn't have time today. There was a lot of people. I met a lot of you guys, which was the fun part, and meeting everybody, like tons of different people, meeting Tommy, meeting Rudnick, seeing Cletus again. I met him before. I did a burnout in Leroy back when it was like stock motor, but just seeing everybody and stuff, like I was really caught up in hanging out and doing all that. So I didn't get to film much, but the rest of this week is gonna be nuts. We're gonna be drag racing, we're gonna be road racing, we're gonna be drifting. So it's gonna be wild, stay tuned. We're gonna see, I mean, it's gonna be like the gauntlet for the Miata. I mean, it's a fresh build and we're gonna be doing 3 different motorsports in it in 3 days. So should be wild. We got some work to do in between, but should be fun. So see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Goodbye.